They can fly! Hey, good morning. Well, I guess it's not morning anymore, it's almost 1. But, I'm watching the boys again. Carson's playing his game. And we're watching Caillou. And Chase is over there. Hey, Chase! Oh, careful! And, we just finished cleaning up a little bit. Carson has to take those upstairs when he gets off from here. And just a second. And yeah, we're just kind of relaxing. We had breakfast, we had lunch, and yeah.
take a video.
And now Carson wants to take a video, so I'll catch up with you guys. Hi.
Bye. For more fun and games with me, Caillou, go to pbskids.org.
Oh no.
Hi, Chase. Chase.
Chase, look.
Chase, like a bubba.
Okay, so we decided to come out here and feed the birds. So we brought out bread for the birds. Carson's still throwing some over there. Oh, look, the birds came. There's a bird. If I can zoom in. Hold on. Oh, there it goes. Don't scare it away, Chase.
Bye.
Bye, bird. Oh. You see the bird? Can you get that one? Okay, let's go inside, Chase. Maybe the birds will come. Yeah, I got the other one. Okay, let's go. Are you watching the birds? Yeah, there's birds out there eating the bread.
There's a cat out there.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but... Oh, there's a cat clear over there, walking.
That's a cat that I see.
Huh. Oh, nice touch.
That felt good.
Did it? Okay. We took some bread out there, and now we're watching for birds to try to see if the birds are going to get the bread.
What if they eat all of it?
Well, that would be good.
Look at that! Is that a real ladybug, or is that just a rock?
That's a rock.
How did you guys make that into a ladybug?
I don't know where. We got it somewhere. I don't know where. Hi, birds. Say hi. Hi. Oh, they're eating, aren't they? Are you showing them eating, Carson? Down there? See them eating?
Yep, I see him.
Okay. Well, we got in just in time because as you can probably see, the window's wet. It's hard to tell, but the window's wet, so it's raining outside. So we're having a little snack before.
Have you seen Tom and Jerry where they make snow things where they turn in the snow and go boom, boom, boom?
Ooh, I don't know if I've seen that one.
That one I saw on my TV.
Huh. They're having a snack before a certain someone takes a nap. Oh, it's raining harder now. Chase, he likes to push the buttons on the dishwasher. Hey, what are you doing? Dance! What are you doing? Oh. Okay, well, I will update you guys later. See ya. Hey, so we're at the Mother and Daughter Banquet. We just ate and we came upstairs to have the upstairs stuff, so I'll show you some of that in a second. But here's some of the group. Lady. What? You hurt your... What did you do?
I don't know.
Ouch. Goodness. Looks like it's just like bled and dried. Hi, Amy.
Hi, Katie.
Molly.
Hi.
And my mom's downstairs. She just got here. Okay, well, I'll show stuff when it starts going on.
You don't love me! How many times have your kids laid that one on you? And how many times have you, as a parent, resisted the urge to tell them, I loved you enough to bug you about where you were going, with whom, and what time you would get home?
I loved you enough to insist you buy a bike with your own money, which we could afford and you couldn't. Top bunk, where you should never put a child wearing Superman pajamas.
I don't know if it's on for 2 hours or no.
Good job. Crazy Alan. He's just a ball of red. You're like a little minion. Minion? Like, he reminds me of like Gollum or Schmeagol. Ooh, that sounded hard. Well, another interesting day. After the Mother-Daughter Banquet, me and my friend Jenny came over, and me and her hung out for a while. Probably from like 8:30 until, oh wait, was it? Yeah, about 8:30 until like 2:30, 2:20 at least. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, so like 6 hours, and talked and hung out, watched videos and all that. She doesn't like being in the videos, so I didn't record during that time, but it was fun, and today was a pretty fun day, and I get to sleep in tomorrow, which is super exciting, but I have to, I was going to do, how to do that tomorrow? I have to write a couple articles. Anyway, I have to call tomorrow. I need to call back the places that I applied to. So wish me luck on that. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. So please comment below anything and everything you would like to say about my videos. And thumbs up on YouTube and I suppose Facebook if you like. And if you like the videos. And subscribe. I can always use more subscribers if you enjoy the videos that I make. If not, you know, you can just enjoy the one you're watching and support. Anywho, I'm gonna stop groveling, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.